Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change a business account to a professional account on Instagram. If you're using Instagram for business, switching to a professional account unlocks advanced analytics and tools to grow your brand, which can be very useful to it. So here's how to make the switch. Just follow these few steps. The first step is to open the Instagram app. Now if you don't have the Instagram app, you can download this by going to Google Play Store or App Store and then search for Instagram and install it. After installing it, just open it. As you can see here, the second step is to go to your profile options right here by clicking on your profile picture. After that, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Now you can here go to Creator Tools and Control here and in the section for professionals. Click on the Creator Tools and Control and scroll down and click on Switch Account Type here. From here you can switch either to business account or switch to a personal account depending on your preference. Choose professional accounts, business account, and follow the prompts. Click on switch, and just like this you switch to your business account. From here you can get insights, get a lot of analytics and tools, so you can use your Instagram for professional purposes. You can also customize your professional profile by selecting your industry and adding contact details. Make sure you use insights from the professional dashboard to analyze your audience and improve engagement, and optimize your bio and content for a professional look. Switching to a professional account on Instagram provides valuable tools to enhance your online presence and grow your brand effectively. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.